Hello friends, today we are talking about benefits of Triphala. Triphala is combination of three fruits. Triphala is beneficial for your stomach, for your gut health, full of vitamin C, enhance overall body's efficiency. It is good for your skin, for your hairs. Triphala is beneficial for your brain, for your eyesight, for your heart and for your liver. Triphala is beneficial for arthritis and gout patients. You can use once in a week as a face pack also. It is good for your skin. Triphala reduces stress and anxiety. Triphala is not recommended to pregnant and lactating mothers. Thank you so much.